Welcome back, my friend. Come back to my friend. Because today I would like to explain about something or something learning of English action or learning the language today. I will show you how to learning a new languages all over, not only Spanish, not only Mandarin, Chinese, and then Turkish, and then Netherlands, Italian, many languages all over. But I would like give you something, some tips to learn many languages. Well, first of all, I would like give you a suggestion. For example, learn a new language. This is English because today, nowadays, English is very important whole world because without English, nothing. You can looking for a job or looking for something or looking for occupation or when you go abroad, if you can't speak English, it's nothing. Well, its problem is nowadays is people. Why do people not understanding when each other speaking English? For the first time, this problem is they don't understand about how the pronunciation. A lot of people speak like American accent, a lot of people speak British accent. They not understand. They not understanding each other. They not understanding what is vocabulary mentioned. They not vocabulary root. They not understanding about pronunciation, stress, grief, and many accent in all the world. Well, today I will give you some suggestion. One. When you learn English, first of all, you must love it. If you do not know it's 100% in English, you do not know what exactly in one time in that English, everybody don't know about that. Second, memorizing. Memorizing is very important for us. For example, when you learn something like vocabulary very important. For example, is a cake. This is a pepper. Sometimes it's a mobile phone. This is a spoon. Day by day, weeks by week, month by month, year by year. Don't forget for only 3 or 4 vocabulary all the word you memorize in your brain. This can helping you for memorizing anything, everything. When you go bored or when you meet somebody of foreigner, when something you must memorize that. The third, listening. Listening very important for us nowadays. Listening, for example, using music. This can help you for listening something, and then when you listen music, it can help you for increase your pronunciation. And then when you reading a lot or when you are watching a lot, when increasing your English language speaker all the world. Therefore, do not thinking about grammar first. When are you mastering in English, you could be learn grammar. Well, for all, I think that's all for explanation about my English because I will give a lot of suggestions and a lot of free or some several tips for learning many languages all the world. But don't worry about that. I will give you many tips for learning English. Never give up. Only one more reason. Never give up for you learn many languages, not only English but also Mandarin, Chinese, Turkish, Russia, and then Spanish, and then Portuguese, and then many languages all over. I will give suggestion. Don't worry about that. Kata, bro.